Welcome. If you're preparing for the Registered Behavior Technician exam, you're in the right place. Let's take a quick tour of our comprehensive RBT Practice Exam tool. It is a tool designed to help you study smarter and feel confident on exam day. Start by searching RBT Practice Exam US on Google. Look for our website, Free RBT Practice Exam, and click on the link. Click on the Start button to get started with your free RBT Practice Exam. On this screen you can configure your RBT Practice Exam. You can totally skip this step and hit on the Start Exam button to quickly get started with the exam. Before you begin, the configuration screen lets you customize your exam settings. You can set the total time for the test, choose how long you have to answer each question, and select the total number of questions. This flexibility allows you to simulate the real exam or create shorter, focused practice sessions. You can customize the exam difficulty, focus on specific categories, and if you're still learning, turn on the option to view answers as you go. In the Additional Settings panel, you can adjust font size, contrast, and sound effects to fit your needs, and even save your setup as a preset for future sessions. Once you are done configuring your exam, click or tap on the Start Exam button to begin the Practice RBT exam. While attempting the 85-question practice exam, just click an answer to move automatically to the next question. You can also rate your confidence on each answer using the 5-star scale. It's great for self-assessment. Need help on a question? Tap Show Explanation to reveal the answer and a detailed breakdown. Just note, once you do, that question will be marked as unanswered in your final score. You can pause or restart the quiz anytime. Use the Next and Previous buttons, or click directly on a question number in the navigation panel to jump around. Flag questions to revisit them later, and keep an eye on the timer and progress bar above to make sure you finish on time. Avoid rushing through familiar questions. Many test takers lose points on basics they overlooked. If you're unsure about a question, flag it and move on. Coming back later with a fresh mind can really help. The RBT exam often includes questions with multiple correct options. Look for the best one, not just a right one. Read every answer before choosing one. The exam loves to test your attention to detail. In the real RBT exam, you'll have 90 minutes to answer 85 multiple-choice questions. No notes, no backtracking. Practicing under timed conditions helps you build stamina and accuracy. After passing the RBT exam, you'll complete background checks and get supervised fieldwork. Then you're officially in RBT. This tool helps you build the confidence to get there. Let's quickly recap. The RBT exam tests 5 key areas: measurement, assessment, skill acquisition, behavior reduction, and professional conduct. Make sure you understand the core principles of each. As you approach the end, check your flagged questions. These are your maybe answers. Go back, review them, and trust your instincts. There is a myth that the RBT exam is only about memorization. But in fact, it's also about understanding how to apply ABA principles in real-world scenarios, like working with children or clients. Once you've completed the quiz and reviewed your answers, click the Submit button to finish the exam. After submitting your exam, you'll receive a detailed performance report. It includes your total score, percentage, time used, and average time per question. You'll also see which question you answered the fastest, which took the longest, and the areas where you need improvement, both by category and difficulty level. Visual charts display your accuracy by category, performance by difficulty, and how your time was distributed across all questions. This helps highlight your strengths and the topics you should focus on next. In the detailed review, you can go through each question, view your submitted answer, the correct answer, the time spent, and the confidence rating you gave. You can also mark questions for further review and use powerful filters to sort them by category, difficulty, time, or accuracy. From the results page, you can reattempt only the questions you got wrong. Export your results as a CSV text or PDF file for printing, or start a brand new exam to keep practicing. Keep practicing, stay focused, and ace your RBT exam. You've got this.